how Sigma females can retrain their brain to focus on the positives and become happier. 1. Have a fulfilling experience. This can be achieved through an actual activity or mental imagery, such as thinking about someone who loves and cares for you, or about that wonderful feeling you get after working out. 2. These sub-steps can be used to enhance the experience. The ultimate objective is to make the experience as long-lasting and persistent as possible, while also keeping it active in your thoughts. Focus on a number of elements of the experience, such as its significance, your experiences, your emotions, and how it feels. Increase the excitement of the encounter to make it stand out more in your memory. Emphasize the personal relevance of the event by looking into your feelings toward it. The feedback you receive from your senses can also be heightened by upregulating or remembering the parts that make you feel good. By focusing on pleasurable events, it may help us appreciate them more. 3. Immerse yourself in the experience. This entails putting out an intentional effort to internalize it so that it feels natural. Take a look at your emotional state and emphasize the value of the experience. For example, spend some time thinking about how socializing made you feel, what aspects you liked most, and what you got out of it after a night out with friends. 4. Connect positive and negative experiences. Of course, there are numerous events in our lives that we may be difficult to attribute positive meaning to. From a parking ticket to experiencing setbacks and loss, it's important to focus on something good even as you're aware of negative information in the background. For example, become more engaged in the film you're watching while still noting that you have work-related anxieties. In this stage, it's critical that you concentrate on something uplifting to drown out the negative.